Hi guys, and in this video we're going to cover very briefly the different types of Forex charts. Now we'll cover the kinds of charts and especially the anatomy of a Japanese candlestick, and I'll go into more detail shortly. There are three basic kinds of charts. As in the image, we have what's known as a line chart, which is basically a straight or a line that moves, and then a bar chart, which is made up of a series of bars, different colored bars, perhaps red for down or green for up, and candlestick charts, which are thicker, fuller, and look like candlesticks, right? Now, the line chart is the simplest kind of chart. It can be considered as a connect the dots type chart. It connects the close of each period and gives you a line graph. They're simple, easy to look at, but they discard a lot of information. A line chart isn't without its merits, however. A line chart is used to connect highs or lows to define areas of support or resistance. The close at the end of a certain period of time carries a lot of weight for traders, but it's only one piece of a bigger picture. We now move to the bar chart, and the bar chart shows a lot more information compared to a line chart. Each bar covers a certain period of time. For example, the image below shows 1 hour bars. So each bar that you're looking at on that image was made up over the period of 1 hour. Bar charts show us the following information. They show us the open of the bar. That's price the period started at with a tick on the left side of the bar. A high, how high the price moved throughout the time period. A low, how low the price moved throughout the time period. And a close, what the price was at the end of the hour with a tick on the right side of the bar, using the 1 hour bar as an example. Now, the Japanese candlestick chart is familiar to most, especially retail traders and beginners. And my advice is to begin with this. It gives a lot more information. It is a bit more complicated, but I just want to cover the basics here. This shows all the same information as a bar chart, an open, a high, a low, and a close, but is popular among traders because it is visually easier to follow. This type of chart is used by nearly all traders these days. Now, here's some brief elements of a candlestick. And on the images, you'll see we have upper and lower wicks as little protruding points. And we have what's known as the real body, the fat part of the candlestick, so to speak. And on the image, you can see on the green one, we have a high at the top that shows you the high of the price and the low of the price at the bottom. Shows you where it closed and where it opened. And similarly, with a bear candle or a candle that's moving downwards, we have the high at the top, the low at the bottom, the open at the top, and the close at the bottom. This is the kind of information we can glean from a candlestick. And in various trading methods, there are various methods which we'll get into, various patterns and so on that can be used to determine whether a trade is worth getting into or to determine whether market is changing direction, to get in or to get out.